Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create an invoice from an estimate in QuickBooks Online. If you already use estimates for your customers, converting them into invoices is the easiest and fastest way to bill for approved work without entering everything again. Let's go step by step. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. From the left-hand menu, click on Sales. This is where you manage all customer-related transactions, like estimates, invoices, and payments. Next, go to the Estimates tab. Here, you'll see a list of all your estimates along with details like customer names, dates, and amounts. Once you find the estimate you want to convert into an invoice, look to the right side of the estimate and click on the drop-down arrow. From the options, select Convert to Invoice. QuickBooks will automatically create a new invoice using the details from that estimate. This saves you time and helps avoid mistakes since everything is already filled in. Now, take a moment to review the invoice. Check the customer information, invoice date, and payment terms. Make sure the due date is correct. Go through each item to confirm the quantity, rate, and description. If you use taxes, verify that the correct tax settings are applied. You can also add a note or attach any supporting documents if needed. Before saving, quickly check that the invoice number looks correct for your records. Once everything is accurate, click Save or Save and Close, depending on what you want to do next. Your invoice is now ready, and QuickBooks will also update the status of the estimate. And that's it. Creating invoices from estimates helps you stay organized, reduces manual work, and keeps your records accurate from start to finish. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.